All right, here's a quick tutorial on using AutoSum formula in spreadsheets. What you don't want to do in a spreadsheet is you don't want to add up the data yourself. So here I have item totals and $40 is in here, but it's been entered just manually so that the math was done either in someone's head or on a calculator. And if I were to change the amount here, add $10 in on Monday, my amount's not going to change down here. The beauty of the AutoSum feature is that, in fact, would do that. So let me hit undo, and I'm going to go ahead and just make these cells empty. And we want to do an AutoSum of gasoline. So I click in the cell I want the item totals, and I click on sum, and I can click and drag and hit enter. Now that's a quick way to do it. Or I could just manually enter the formula equals sum, and then parenthesis, and then I want C4 colon to C8. So the first and last cell, and then hit enter, because that's really the formula. So if I were to select either cell now and look up in the field, I would see that sum equals sum, and the cells are listed there. So you would just apply that for each of these, and you would also apply that here. Now, if I do equals sum here, and I want daily totals, so I'm going to go B4 to E4 and hit enter. Great. But I want to now fill down, so I can just highlight everything and do a Control D, and that will update the formula and fill it down. So now you can see if I add any values in the center, it's going to update that as well. All right, so now that you have AutoSum down, here's a little extra for you in Google Sheets. Now, there's often times where you want it to look just a little more attractive than not at all. So you can add an add-on. I've added an add-on called Table Styles. You can get it by clicking on Get Add-ons and look for Table Styles. In the add-ons gallery, you would just click on Free to add it. I highlight my selection, then I click on Add-ons, Table Styles, and I'm going to look for a style to add to my selection here. So I'm looking for a quick way to make this pretty. So I select a style I like, I click on Apply to Selection. It looks pretty good. I'm pretty happy with that. I can highlight these two cells and use the merge tool to merge the to merge the cells here. And I can make this bold, even a different color if I wanted to, larger. And that's how you use AutoSum and the Table Styles add-on.